Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get Google search bar back onto your home screen on your Android mobile device, of course. A few months back I made a similar video, but as you know, over time there has been several updates and things might not look as it was before. So today I'm going to have a new update and show you how to bring back the Google search bar back onto your home screen. So let's start. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is long press on an empty screen on your mobile, and then tap on widget and search for the Google widget. If it's not present on the first page, you can always just flip through until you find it. But mine is already on the first page. So tap on the Google widget. Now you have to browse through and search for the Google search bar. Flip through. Okay, here it is. Now there is a small add button on the bottom right hand side of the screen. Tap on add and this will automatically add the Google search bar onto your home screen. So here it is. So you can long press on the toolbar and move it around and place it wherever you want to place it. Okay, and if you want to remove the Google search bar from your home screen, so once again you have to long press on the search bar and tap on remove, and this will automatically remove the Google search bar from your screen. So guys, thank you for following this video. Give me a thumbs up if you've liked this video and subscribe to my channel.